Accra problem. First one, indiscipline. As at this time, Accra started to say flood. Now Kwame Nkrumah prime minister.
Kwame Nkrumah circle flooded.
I was at flood. But so what Accra Mr. So when you safe from my watch them in Piabonte. So what them we is safer. If fear when you is safer, share them in Piabonte. Share them in Piabonte. Kwaku. But you zoom in on me date, no, make Kwaku ready date, no, zoom in date, no. Yanko, date, no. Good. Kwaku date, no, say.
Supremo, no, Monday.
Bra, you
no, Monday, 18th.
Monday,
18th April 1960.
Kwaku date, but you repeat to be mommy.
Monday, April 18th, 1960.
1960.
Yes.
And I call a daily graphic, right?
Yes, daily graphic.
No, almost saying.
Where the Accra born one hon samran is Ghana's biggest sale.
Okay, Ghana's biggest sale.
Born hon samran is
all right.
And walk actually say front page, you know. When the rains came to Accra.
When the rains
came to Accra.
Kwaku, we are first paragraph from Pacho Kamame.
Wadaroma.
What's it?
These pictures tell the story of the day when the rains once again came to Accra.
Once again.
Many streets and houses were completely flooded following a heavy downpour of rain in Accra at the weekend. At the Kwame Nkrumah Circle, traffic was held up for 2.5 hours. In the nearby houses, as seen in the left picture, women and buckets and pans to collect water from their flooded compound. In all, 245 inches of rainfall was recorded. This is believed to be the heaviest rainfall in Accra for 1 year. The above picture shows the flooded Kwame Nkrumah Circle and the traffic that was held up. People had to wade knee deep.
Me that's it. I was out where I can, you know. Kwaku, me catch you say, if I tell you, say, Accra started say flooded. Even before Ghana ever had a president, Abajedi.
Mama. Minini.
Who can I say which Bruni be when you
Bruni?
What can Bruni say? Accra started flooding. Even before Ghana had a president. Ghana first had first president.
Once again.
Once again. 1st July 1960. And Ghana first president. Kwame Nkrumah. As at this time, Accra started saying flood. Now Kwame Nkrumah prime minister.
Kwame Nkrumah circle flooded. I'm a car said the traffic will say 1.5 hours and also 2.5 hours.
2 hours.
I'm a mad the pan.
And it says
there be in Pabonifo. Circle. No circle 1 or 10 years ago. A flood day, yeah.
June 3rd. June 3rd.
Gas, no.
June 3rd.
Just 2 more.
Filling station.
The both will be in Suku.
June 3rd. June 3rd.
June circle. 1960. 18th April.
June 3rd. June 3rd. 18th April. Na Accra flooded. Na flooded. Eja Amankwa Herbal and Prayer Center. Eja Amankwa Herbal and Prayer Center. Abuja America di omo dance ya chana mekoso dia dance na kofim se mema ye be de on. Apia stadium nka bo ye koma won so. Munya da age no yiri nei. Wunyina ye koma mo. Eja Amankwa Herbal and Prayer Center. Ye bona mane say the pennies engineer. Bema de so nya da age no yiri deda. Oso otimi ne wo yiri da. Na obetimi no yiri da. Oso obema se mu ye den. Obema o se gina ho posi ebesi posi a e wo se yare bi e wo mema ho obi onu ma wo se me bema fun obi onu ma wo se me boso obi onu wo se me butu so no me change style adwojo obi onu ma wo se depi enye ni nyina jama nkwa se bra na me solve ma ho wo se de bia soro na me sisi wo se waste pains e ye problem be ka wo bema bra na me hwe ma ho e ye gonorrhea ana say infection be na e tetew Eja Amankwa Herbal and Prayer Center. Say men can show. Say brano shemo. Low sperm counts. And ama wo ho ayedin. Friend 0542197419 and 0506949489. You almost my 3 Junction Road. You free Eja Amankwa. Friend number is free. Go Accra problem. Enema minu pe. Enema minu pe. First one, indiscipline.
Okay.
First one, Koku, a pure indiscipline problem. kura mutima a enso mu na no bia fa ne bola
no hwe
oni fie mpa na wa frɛ fie say yemfa bola na nso amu na ni ko hwe gu gatam.
Yeah,
that is the first major problem.
Yeah,
the second major problem is greed. First one my catch was say fi ni pankasa ye fi fi ankasa woni omu widiem.
Okay.
Second problem ni bre. Kwakwa nsu on o block the kwan a oba find a way. As long as it, oh yes, one say ensuring is one thing that you enter a fire, you can easily control it. It was say mame kwan na menko. It is only common sense ka say ensu to area high flood zone. Ensu to ha na fako na ekobo puma akọ ekobo nzo we mu akọ me kwan no mame kwan na menko. But what the woni bre eto ho asase no ede mo bi besi dan a me de eye me kwan o etime dua fa so akọ se edan no so block me a de me ya ne se me fa baby foforo eno so so emwa
so one mama baby
me me fa
baby afa.
That is the second biggest problem. And problem no. The third problem is drainage system. The government doesn't care about it.
Yes.
The government doesn't care. Adia Tima flooded from 1960 up to now. It doesn't flood.
Odofo. So per company now bet me a de ho atso omo so e ba no adansi ene ho dwumedie bia dia enwa ene Zion View Construction and Services e ba no general building construction say yensi dan fit scratch enko na wieye na enye de wakoma pedie enwa ne Zion View Construction and Services e ba no dampness treatment say walls ho na cracking enso eliki fa walls ho tino ama apoto bibre age wo dan no aboso dia Zion View some can show say obe apply waterproof coating e de ma external any internal walls no se ne be ya wonso no obetimi afa wodan no ho afa na apotobibre nyina nso aclear e de amount e biem no se ba no Italian graffiato se wo si abefo de ya baby a wo ho access scratch lines ne nam ho fefefe eno nso no omudi sa dwumade no kama stamped concrete for compound se wo pe concrete papa e de aya o compound a e be che na be san so aye fe e de amount dia fashion Zion View Construction and Services omo ensa ebano epoxy floor me pacha so ope epoxy floor papa ope de beche e de amount ope de hoho etunan e de sofia obeka se emom o floor si eyefe so ope e de amount garage floors basement countertops and na simple no ope ne so commercial dwumede bia udi se bank bi na wusi restaurant bi na wusi hotel bi na wusi enwa ene Zion View Construction and Services so what Ghana anase amano no dia na ope company a ombe sofia no SSC the amount there. Me patch for numbers we say 0543 123829 0543 123829 and I say 0249 711659 0249 711659. So we share Zion View Construction and Services BMUSUA. Obetimi akọ omo website so www.zionviewconstruction.com.